I start a video. We are making another log manifold for the back. So we got the flange bolted on. I just cut up 3 little runners. I'm going to drill some holes now, and then we'll get those to the right curvature, and then we should be good to start tacking shit on, I do believe. Yeah, so let's get some holes drilled. Alright, so I tacked them all on. Now we're gonna get the bevels in there, so that way this guy can sit in there like so. And then once that's done, we'll put it on like so, run it around the marker around it, and then we'll drill out, and then we'll get that welded on, and we should be good to go. So let's get that done. Alright, there's about as good as it's gonna get. Got them all bloop. So yeah, next thing we gotta do is tack all those on. Actually, pretty much just got a full weld. Or wait, hold on. Before I get ahead of myself, that'd be bad. That'd be a damn shame. We gotta drill the hole. So next, we'll line it up where it needs to be. Sharpie around, Sharpie around, Sharpie around, and then drill some holes. Then we can weld it on. That would have been a damn shame. So let's get those marked and get the holes drilled. We got some holes drilled. Now let's get this thing welded on. You know I'm out here welding. And I run out of welding wire. God dang it. But luckily, we're prepared. Suck on these nuts, Mother Nature. But alright, let's change out the welding wire. Alright, we got the bottom welded. And now we just gotta do the top. I'm gonna let the welder cool for a bit here. So, and then once that's done, then we'll get that. Then we gotta chop off the end at an angle and cap it. And then we are good. It's done. So yeah, let's let it cool. Alright, there it is on there. Real nice. And then, sweet. So yeah, we just gotta get V-bands for here, V-band for there, and then we'll do all the crossover and everything utilizing V-band. So yeah, I might actually try and do like a 90 or something. Try and get it heading this way right away. So that way the V-band is in a straighter section, not right on the bend. But yeah, so far so good. We still gotta cut the back off, and then weld the plate on the back, and then that's it. After that, it's done. Other than the V-bands, which I do not have. So, but yeah, looks sweet.